everyone, and thank you for joining me today. This is a very special video. I'm just filming for all you lovely supporters on Ko-fi. So as you know, I had a foot operation a little while ago, and I'm 12 days post foot operation. So as you can see, I've still got my bandages on, which is why I'm sitting down, but I just wanted to say a huge thank you because I have now got 95% of the funds I needed to get the garage insulated. So I've still got a few things I need to get. So if you can continue to support, that would be great. But if you look over there, you can see all the insulation has arrived, and we're going to get started in the next couple of days. So I'll keep you posted with what's going on, but just want to say a huge thank you. And that little noise you're hearing is my new friend who's running around on the floor. Her name is Boo. I don't know if she's going to come out and say hello, but shall we see? Boo, do you want to come out and say hello? Boo, come say hello. Who's this? Who's this? This is Boo, everybody. Say hello. Good girl. All right, so thanks very much for joining me, and I'll see you very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.